Hello, runners. My name is Amanda Sellers. Whether you're listening as you tie up your HOKAs before heading to the start line, during your warm-up, or maybe just taking a quiet moment to center yourself before the race begins, welcome to the beautiful coastline of the Big Sur International Marathon. Today, you join thousands of runners moving together along one of the most breathtaking courses in the world. It's race day. You've worked hard for this moment. And now it's time to make yourself proud, to simultaneously give it everything you've got while also surrendering to something greater. Trust your training. Trust your body. Trust the journey that brought you here today. This meditation will help you prepare for the race of your life. Close your eyes. Relax your shoulders. Soften your jaw. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling up your lungs. Hold it at the top. Hold it. Hold it, and then slowly and gently exhale and let everything soften. Again, inhale slowly through your nose, expanding your rib cage, filling it up with air as much as you can. Hold it at the top, hold it. And slowly and gently letting go of anything you're holding on to. Feel the air on your skin. Feel the blood running through your veins. Witnessing the sounds around you. But you are here. You are focused. Now visualize the day unfolding. See yourself at the start line as the race is about to begin, feeling grounded, calm, yet filled with anticipation and excitement to execute your plan. As the race begins, your body moves smoothly, imagining the cool air along the coastline, the sound of the ocean, and the energy of thousands of runners around you. Everything is working out in your favor. You are locked in. There is an effortless flow of grace and strength. You see what you are truly capable of today. You see your body strong, moving in ways you've never seen before. So much strength, endurance, grit, commitment. Now imagine a challenging moment in the race, maybe a hill, maybe a long stretch where your legs begin to burn, or you're almost done but not quite there. Notice how you respond. You stay calm and focused. You are committed. Watch yourself push through this moment even better than you could have imagined. Feel the strength rising inside you as you stay on track. You feel the determination, the power of continuing forward and pushing through. Celebrate that feeling. Celebrate it. You believe it. And because you believe it, you will see it. From the moment this meditation ends to the moment you step across the finish line at the Big Sur International Marathon, feeling gratitude for your body, for your journey this far, gratitude for your preparation, your training, gratitude for the opportunity to be here today. Feel thankful for those around you, for the other runners beside you, for the pace bunnies, for the incredible beauty that surrounds you, and for your life journey that brought you here today. This is your day. You are made for this. Repeat these mantras quietly in your mind or out loud. I am confident in my abilities. I am protected. I am prepared. I stay calm and focused under pressure. I maximize every moment. I thrive in competition. I surrender and allow myself to enjoy this journey. Now, as you go about your pre-race routine today, along the way, if you catch your reflection in a mirror or window, pause for a moment, look at yourself, and remember your greatness and pure potential. You see strength, leadership, and resilience. You see someone who never backs down and never gives up. Now I'm going to count you down from 5 to 1. And as I do, you return fully into your body, focused, energized, and ready. 5. Feeling more focused and alive than ever before. 4. Feeling the fire within lighting up in your body and your mind. 3. Gently moving your fingers and toes. Every cell in your body is aligned and ready to go. 2. Take the deepest breath that you can, filling up your lungs, expanding, holding at the top, and release. 1. Slowly open your eyes, take in your surroundings. Together, we fly higher. You were made for this. You are ready.